I really love that the burn edges. That's really nice. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, the burn edges on the shadow. Mwah! Mwah! That's gorgeous. I love it. Now let me am I liked music maybe? Oh yeah, we can listen to that for a minute. Meow 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 meow. Beep 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 beep. Yeah, it's really pretty. Ereshkigal from My Beloved Happy. Their stuff is so cool. They do a bunch of like really fun what's the word? What's the word that you would use? Is it like I don't want to use retro. Retro doesn't feel right, does it? It wasn't that long ago. Classic. Classic. Beautiful classic anime style. Can't believe the 2000s took it from us. It won't go away. Automation. Ow! The writing's on the wall. Oh, that's right. People do draw his hair like that. Hang on. It's a no beep 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 beep. Oh my god, also I was a little bit naughty while I was gone. I I got the old school Nintendo 64 games. I was like, I'll play a little Banjo Kazooie while I wait for my meds to kick in. All day yesterday, I played fucking Banjo Kazooie. all the 64 games. All the ones that are available on the Switch. I like 70s Hardies. 70 to Hardies? What the fuck? 70 to 90s Hard Shade. Yes. Mwah. It's so fucking good. Sweet Garden by Couple N. Good to know. Good to know. Just run the automation now. I don't know about that. Oh yeah, maybe. Oh, let me get rid of that hair actually. Meow 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 meow. I wish to feast. I'm hungry. What am I gonna eat? I'm different now. I've been eating those fucking probiotics, and now all I want to do is eat fucking food.